Watch this video and learn how to draw a Squishmallow Cow. Later on, Bunny Fluffington has a dance break. And watch to the end to see Artie in a cartoon. Are you ready, Artie? Are you ready, little artists? It's Artie's show!
Come on kids, let's run, let's brush. Grab a pencil, chalk or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Color, texture, shapes and lines. Making art of every kind. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie!
Hello.
Do you know what we're going to do today, Artie?
No, Artie doesn't know.
Well, how about we do a drawing with marker pens?
Oh, that's gonna be really good. I'll go get my marker pens. Wow, whoa.
Good day, Artie and friends!
Hey kids, welcome to the show!
Oh, the little artists are here.
What should we draw?
I don't know what to draw.
Well, that's a problem.
Can you help Artie, please?
Yes, why don't we draw a Squishmallow Cow?
Yeah, let's do that. Yeah, great idea. Great.
Let's start by drawing the left eye. We're going to draw a little circle towards the top of the page. Hey Artie, after this drawing, we can play with our Squishmallows.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Oh, yay. Oh.
Now draw two tiny little circles inside the first circle that we drew.
If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away. And when you cut up, you can just press play. Wow, I can really sing.
Thank you, Barry. That was very helpful. Okay, Artie, now let's shade in the whole eye black, but keep those two little circles that we drew as white. You're going to have to be patient. Shade it in really carefully. Try not to go outside the lines if you can help it.
Artie, Bunny's here.
Hi, Bunny.
Hi. Oh, wow. Your art makes my whiskers wiggle with joy.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome. Now hop to it.
Bye.
Bye.
Oh, it's always nice when Bunny Fluffington comes to visit you, Artie.
Yeah.
Make sure everything in that eyeball is shaded in black, apart from the two little circles, of course. That's it. Great job. Now let's draw the right eye. Another circle, but this time on the right side of the page. And then draw those two little tiny circles again.
You know, art and music go hand in hand, or paw in paw. You've got the art, Artie, and I've got the music. Oh!
Oh, Barry, you've started the neighborhood dogs barking again. Ugh. Okay, Artie, same thing again. Shade everything in this eyeball in black, apart from the two little circles. We're going to leave those as white. You're doing a really good job, Artie. I know we've only drawn two eyes, but it looks great.
Oh, dance break.
You want a dance break?
Yeah. Can we have a dance break, please?
Let's have Bunny do it.
Dance break, dance break, dance break, dance
Okay.
break. Yay! Okay.
dancing little artists?
Oh, marvellous. Exquisite, actually. Exquisite. I give it a 10. 10 for sure, 10.
Oh, that was a really fun dance break.
It was. Bunny did so good.
Yeah.
Should we carry on with the drawing now?
Okay.
Now we're going to draw our Squishmallow Cow's nose. We're going to draw a half circle on the left, a half circle on the right, and then connect the two together with two little horizontal straight lines, making a sort of oval shape. Keep watching, because coming up, Artie's in a cartoon. Let's draw two little cow nostrils inside of that nose. Just two circles, one on the left and one on the right. That's it. Now let's add two tiny little eyebrows just above the eyes. One on the left and, of course, one on the right.
Oh, Painty! Oh no!
Uh-oh.
Painty!
Very funny.
Oh, Barry, it's not very funny. Painty's made a big old mess in here again. Now let's draw the left side of our Squishmallow's body. A nice big curve going all the way up. And then, of course, we're going to do the same on the right side. We're making a sort of egg-shaped body.
This looks great, but I can't tell what it is yet.
Let's connect the two lines at the top, giving our Squishmallow a proper head. And then let's connect the two lines at the bottom, all the way across, making one big egg-shaped body.
Oh, can we have a cartoon break?
A cartoon break?
Yeah.
Okay, why not?
Yeah? Oh, okay. Cartoon break.
Artie, let's go and find some things that are coloured black.
Yay! Artie loves black. Oh, it's a black doggy. It's a shiny black car. Black lamppost. Artie find lots of black things.
Well done, Artie.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Oh, that was a really good cartoon break.
It was great.
Yeah.
Should we finish our drawing now?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Okay.
Let's draw the left ear. We'll draw an oval shape sticking out of the side of the head, and then in the middle of the oval, let's draw an S shape. That's it. Let's do the same on the right side. An oval shape sticking out of the side of the head. That's it. And then don't forget the S shape. Are you enjoying yourself, Artie? You seem to be.
Oh, I'm having so much fun. Woohoo! Hey.
Let's give our cow two little horns, one on the right, and then add one on the left, a sort of upside-down U shape, or an upside-down V. Let's add some markings on our cow. Draw an S-shaped wavy line on the right side of the top of the head, and another wiggly shaped line towards the bottom left side of the head. Let's add a little heart shape in the bottom right corner. Well, Artie, I think you're finished.
I'm finished. Ooh.
Oh, I thought you were.
Yeah.
Should we colour it in?
Yeah. let's colour it in.
Color it in, Artie.
Artie's finished.
Wow, Artie, it came out really good. Are you happy with it?
Pretty good. Pretty good.
Oh, you must be so proud of it.
Yeah, Artie, very proud.
Great job, Artie.
Just wonderful. See you later, Artie.
Wasn't that so much fun? Yay! Thank you for watching, and please watch again and have an Artie day. Bye bye.